Thank you.
That coffee's delicious.
Oh, thank you.
The McDonald County Sheriff's Office has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 67 Johnson, Southwest City, Missouri on July 9, 2020 at 8:52 a.m. Abducted was Samuel Padron, white, male, age 4. Abducted was Genesis Padron, white, female, age 8. Suspect vehicle is a red 2009 Ford Flex bearing Missouri registration RA1J1L. Vehicle last seen in an unknown direction of travel. Suspect is Hilda Melendez, a white, female, 35, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 130 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect is a non-custodial parent that assaulted the female that was watching the children and took them from the residence. The vehicle could also be occupied by the suspect's mother Betty. They are possibly en route to the country of Mexico. Recent statements made indicate the children are in danger. Please call 911 or McDonald County Sheriff's Office at 417-223-4318 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
I even put on Patsy. It's the